Well, the biggest challenge we as a company have experienced in 2010 was the economic turmoil and how that plays into what we want to do with our products, serve our customers, remain relevant and resonant in the marketplace. And we kept our whole portfolio in the marketplace, so we didn't extract any products from the marketplace. We have a big focus on customers, and we want to make sure that we have solutions that will be purposeful for them. So CyberLife is one of our main open book platforms. It has whole and term products on it for nationwide. And we just introduced a new term suite. We've been tuning and tweaking the term suite specifically to watch our capital exposure, and have had to strengthen that a bit, but we've had great success with that. And I've been very happy with the product performance. What we love about CyberLife is that it scales so beautifully for us, and if we see a real acceleration in sales, as we always experience in fourth quarter particularly, we have no worries about that platform being resilient and available to meet our customer demand. We met our sales objectives across the board in the life segment, and we give thanks for that. It was due to the hard work of a lot of people and a lot of applications that support those people to do their jobs. And among those, our primary platform with CSC is CyberLife. We saw an increase in market share in the midst of that economic downturn. One of our initiatives in 2010 was to automate our application process. We have an illustration tool that's provided by a vendor that we connected and linked to our e-application tool, which is provided by a different vendor, which we connected through an Accord standard format to our underwriting desktop, which then connects to CyberLife in the background. And that's been tremendous for us. It's caused us to have a lot more applications in good order, which results in fewer calls out to agents and intermediaries about the application, and obviously faster turnaround in underwriting and back to the customer, which is our primary focus. Several years ago, Nationwide established an outsourced relationship with CyberLife, but they do a great job for us. And they help us with CyberLife and our closed book Vantage application as well. That offshore team works with this application exclusively, so they know it intimately and well. And they're dedicated to us, so over the years they've gotten to know our implementation and our mods and can move fluidly through the software development lifecycle process with us. And we trust that team so much that sometimes they write requirements for us offshore that we bring onshore to develop from. And I think that's a differentiating behavior. We also see the team at times doing end-to-end work, so they'll take it from requirements all the way through testing. It'll come back to Columbus, Ohio, and the Nationwide headquarters to just do some scale, some regression, some light system testing, UAT, and out the door. And I think that exhibits the partnership. We recently completed a survey for CSC, and in this survey there were questions around WeConnect and various groups and other interactions that we have with the CSC Corporation. And I reached out to the team for that to see how their experience with the help desk was, etc. And they love the WeConnect site. They find it very purposeful and helpful. It causes them not to have to pick up the phone as frequently. They can get answers there. They can also post questions there and get answers from the community. It's been invaluable to interact with CSC and equally valuable to interact with our partner companies around the country when we have issues or questions. So it's been very positive, and hopefully will be more dynamic even in the future.